Paula's missing out today on Paula's picks. We're going to save some food for her, hopefully. This first week of the new year has many of us trying to reset our diets and get into healthier eating habits.
Yeah, and believe it or not, it is possible to eat lighter, healthier meals that still taste amazing. And Monarch Casino's executive chef, Anthony Ochoa, is here to show us one of his favorite dishes. I know you have a lot of beautiful colors here.
Yeah,
Tell us about what you're making, Anthony.
So this is a warm pasta salad with a super easy recipe to cooking salmon. A lot of people are kind of afraid to cooking it, so in the oven, super easy, 15 minutes.
Nice.
Done.
Okay, so as you're putting this together, because we want a little taste here, tell us about the ingredients and how it's going to help us get a little healthier in the new year.
So a lot of it, so the purpose of this is super easy recipe, a lot of fresh ingredients, not hard.
What kind of oil is that?
Olive oil, red wine vinegar.
Nice. Okay.
We got some fresh basil down there. If you don't have these ingredients, easily substitute at home. You know, if you don't have salmon, you can use easy whitefish, tuna, halibut.
Perfect.
Play with it. You don't have tomatoes, you can add red onion. So.
Okay. You want to start mixing that up?
Of course,
I'm hungry.
Of course.
Anthony, I need some. I need some breakfast. I haven't even had breakfast today.
And what would be a good recommendation from you on how to cook the salmon in a healthy manner?
So I did it roasting it. I added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to it. Salt and pepper. That's it. You can also sear it. About 12 to. So the trick to it, you can also see the proteins kind of coming out.
Yes.
If you don't have a thermometer, and you're afraid of the time, the protein of it, the white protein, you can tell when it's.
Oh,
it's
that's an
fully
indicator.
cooked and stuff like that.
Okay, that's
That's
a good
kind
idea.
of the trick to it. Us chefs to it.
All right.
Now you're adding some fresh veggies there.
Yeah, so we got yellow squash and green zucchini. I kind of rolled them up.
Did you roll them up just for visual effect?
No, we will do it like that. You could. It's easy. Just took a pillar.
Yeah.
And then just.
It looks like art. It looks like it's going to be amazing to eat. Now, as you're finishing this up, it has to be a challenge to put on a 7-day-a-week buffet, right? Like, what is the challenge of that over at Monarch?
It is and it isn't. I guess the easiest thing behind it is just being well organized. You gotta be, whether you're cooking at home or in a restaurant or in a buffet, in my style. If you're not well organized, they won't function well.
Right.
Yeah, and you guys obviously have a lot of regulars that dine with you up at Monarch Casino. What are some of their favorite dishes that you guys carry on the menu?
So we do a lot of home style cooking. Our Asian offerings are really fresh and lean. Our salads, all our salads are really, you know, local flavors, fresh ingredients.
And we're cooking with salmon today. I think eating fish in this new year is a really great idea for heart health. So what other fish dishes do you have over at Monarch Casino?
So right now, we try to do a lot of sustainable fish. Obviously, salmon, we try to do whatever's in season. Obviously, we're not going to do a halibut, so we'll do either a haddock, we'll do tilapia, we'll do trout, just depending where the season's at.
Are all fishes equal in terms of being healthy, or is there one that stands out to you?
Salmon, the good fats in it.
Nice.
I personally like the haddock, but salmon's really good for you.
Do you want to scoop it out? We're coming to an end
get a
here.
little taster there.
Right?
And I think we're going to put the recipe up on our website on
so people can make
kwgn.com if you want to check that out. And Anthony, we got to thank you for being here. It looks so delicious. Do you want to dive in and give us a taste test?
I'm going to give you a taste test.
And I'll give you guys some more information on Monarch Casino. They are on Main Street in Blackhawk. You can check out their website at monarchblackhawk.com or give them a call at 303-582-1000.
You take over the